எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நீங்க எல்லாரையும் பார்த்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். And I have to start off by saying to all my wonderful media friends that thank you for always supporting me. Since my day one in Tamil cinema, I have gotten so much love from you guys. And through the course of my short journey, hopefully it'll be a long one, but it's my fourth film in Tamil. I've gotten so much support from you, so much love from you. So thank you. பெரிய பெரிய நன்றி. இது எனக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியமான படம். இது எனக்கு ஒரு எமோஷனலான மூமெண்ட். I spoke so much for 10 days during promotion, but now I'm my hands are shaking. It's a since last 10 days we were so busy promoting our film. Ella statelum, ella languageslum, that suddenly, I came here and in my head I thought, Andariki Namaskaram, and I was like, no, wrong, wrong city. I'm confused where we are because that's how much we've jumped and, gone to different places to take the film to all of you, to give our love to all of you. Ranjit sir, I have to start off with you, the captain of the ship. Thank you for Arati. I will not say much about the character because I think now from tomorrow our film belongs to you guys. So you all should speak about the movie and about the characters. But thank you for giving me one of the most incredible journeys of my, career. I will forever be grateful to you. I always describe you as, whenever anybody asks me how is Paranjit to work with, I say he's this very rare and very interesting combination of strong but sensitive. He will push you like nobody has pushed you before, but he, if I'm finding something hard, if I'm low, or if I'm, there were days on set where I cried, but I will not cry in front of people. I'll go to one corner and I will turn my face and I will, secretly cry, but he will notice that also. So he's that sensitive. And I've never worked with a director who's as incredible as he is. Thank you, sir. Vikram, sir, thank you for being the most amazing co-actor. Couldn't have done Tangalan with any other actor but you. You are so giving, you're so compassionate, so passionate. It's mind-blowing and it's inspiring to see such incredible generosity, Most actors are selfish in a scene. They will only think about themselves, They want to be better than everybody else. But he's the only actor I've worked with who will think about all the other actors performing equally well at the same time. And that is a very, very rare quality. And that is something I really admire in you. Parvati, it was, I said this before, but being around all of these incredible actors, I felt like a sponge, absorbing all the, um, learning so much from them and, just seeing how they were bringing these crazy characters to life. You're amazing in the film from whatever little I've seen, and I'm sure you'll wow everyone with your spectacular performance as usual. Danny, you are to come to a foreign country, to come to a foreign, or completely new culture, or a new language, new people, and to adapt the way you have is fantastic. And I'm sure you're, incredible. I've seen you doing incredible work in front of my eyes, and tomorrow the audience will see it too. And hope we see you in more Indian cinema, so you can come here more often. GV, you have killed it with the 10 days we did promotions, and we must have seen Tangalan trailer teaser at least 50 times, 50 to 70 times, and every time the songs would come and all of our heads would be like this, you know. And that says a lot about what your work is in the movie. Kishore sir, my father is a cinematographer, and I know that they are probably they're one of the most hardworking. You're the first ones to come to set and the last ones to leave. And what you have done is, the way you've shot this movie, it looks like world cinema, and it's so unseen in Tamil cinema, even in Indian cinema. It's very rarely have we seen long single shots and just everything, just the texture, just the colors, everything. And I'm so excited to see it in the theaters tomorrow. The art direction, sir, was superb. It pulled us into that world, and that's only because of you and your work. Studio Green, thank you, Dhananjay and sir, for taking us to so many lovely cities for this amazing promotions. Thank you. Neha, I hope we work together more often. Yanavel sir, who's not here today, thank you, sir. And one very important person I forgot to thank during my audio launch, Anita Ranjit, who designed Arati's look, and it's fantastic. She designed the costume, and it's beautiful, it's magical, it's mesmerizing, and thank you for making Arati look so good, Anita. She doesn't like it when I call her Anita Akka, so. Anybody else I'm forgetting? The entire team, the list can go on, but thank you to the entire team. My hair makeup for this crazy, crazy look that Arati has. Tattoo team, to Ranjit sir's amazing assistant directors. Thank you.